I have a dashboard of all orders by company name and freight, and I want to get the top 10 items. If I grab freight and I drag it down to data filters and I select filter by rule, top items, and type in 10 and create the filter, this is going to give me 2, 4, 7 items back. And it's not going to be the aggregated data. So this is a pre-aggregated filter, and that really is not what you want. What you want to do with a filter is drag the values down to data filters, select your rule, so top items. We'll do the top 10, company names by freight. Now I'll get 10 items, and let's say I want to do it by country. So here, if I add another filter like country, and let's select values, and we'll just do Argentina, create the filter. There's only 3 orders for Argentina, so that's going to be the top 10 freights by country for Argentina. If I change this to a grid, we're going to add the country column, so I can see country here, and we have company name here. So if I pivot this, there's only 3 in Argentina. So whatever data filters you set up when you're working with charts, make sure that you're dragging the value down to the data filter, which will give you the desired aggregate value in your chart.